Here's another experiment that you can do at home. All you need are 2 empty soda cans, although the cans are full of air, but that has nothing to do with this experiment. You need a straw. Now if you don't have a straw, you can do the experiment without the straw. You have to be careful. Or number 2, you can take a roll, some paper and roll it up into a tube. Place the straw in between the 2 cans and blow. The 2 cans come together. In your mind, it doesn't make sense. It should be the cans will blow apart, but the cans will come together. So you can try this at home, have a little contest, see how far apart you can put the cans before they won't roll together. Again, you can try it without the straw, and if you don't have a straw, you can just roll up a piece of paper and make a tube. So have fun with this experiment. Have a good day.